Find your happy place when you take to the open road with this 2018 Sandpiper 372LOK fifth wheel from TerryTown RV. The exterior of this Sandpiper fifth wheel is constructed of high-gloss gel-coated colored fiberglass. Across the front, you'll see a painted two-tone aerodynamic fiberglass front cap with an improved turning radius, a hitch light, and wide-stance hydraulic landing gear. An easy-access docking station is located on the side of the RV. The 4 slide-outs have laminated walls. Across the rear, you'll see a large tinted window with 80/20 UV prohibitor. An exterior kitchen offers a sink and refrigerator. There's plenty of exterior storage compartments that feature insulated heavy-duty slam-lock doors. When you step inside, you'll see Beauflor rustic wood plank linoleum flooring and Delight maple handmade cabinetry. Across the rear, you'll find American-made furniture that includes a hide-a-bed sofa and theater seating with heat and massage. A booth-style dinette has storage underneath the bench seating, and it folds down into a bed for additional sleeping accommodations. The center island kitchen features a stainless steel appliance package that includes a 20 cubic foot LG French door refrigerator, 30-inch Whirlpool microwave, a 3-burner high-output range with 22-inch oven, and premium solid surface countertops. The private bunkhouse has a sofa with bunk overhead and a wardrobe with built-in entertainment center. There's a loft with ladder above the bunkhouse area. The master bathroom includes a colored surround shower with etched tile pattern, an upgraded adjustable shower head, vanity with mirror, and a toilet. In the master bedroom, you'll see a queen-sized bed with Serta memory foam mattress, a large wardrobe with washer-dryer prep, and a dresser with a 32-inch swing-arm TV overhead. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.